Welcome back to our channel. Again, this is Teacher JM, and today we're going to hear the story of the ant and the grasshopper. Are you ready? Let's go. In a field of one summer day, a grasshopper was hopping about, chirping and singing to its heart's content. An ant passed by carrying an ear of corn. It was very heavy load, but he did not stop. He was taking the corn to his nest. "Why not come and play with me?" said the grasshopper. "The day is too nice to be working so hard. I am helping to lay up food for the rainy days," said the ant. "I think you should be doing the same." "Why worrying about the rainy day?" the grasshopper said. "We have plenty of food now." The ant was tired from his work and he thought it would be fun to join the grasshopper. But he went on his way and went on working until he had filled his nest with corn. When the rainy days came, as it always does, and the grasshopper no more food to eat, he was dying while the ants were eating every day from the corn they had stored away. Then the grasshopper knew it is the best to prepare for the days ahead. The end. That's end our story about the ant and the grasshopper. I hope you enjoy watching our video today, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please share, like, and comment below, and click the notification bell for more videos.